We're in session in cause number 319900. The case is Style of State of Texas versus Brian Davis. Brian Davis, would you please come forward? How are you doing, Mr. Davis?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Davis, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Ryan Matuska. Mr. Matuska, how are you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Matuska, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Davis's case?
Yes, Your Honor. Can we sit down on trial date?
Okay. Just hold on for your date.
October 4th or October 18th?
You said 4th? Okay, reset it for October 4th. Mr. Davis, your case is gonna be set for trial for October 4th. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Okay? We're in session in cause number 322248. The case is Style of the State of Texas versus Kenneth Wayne Thibodeau Jr. Now, Mr. Thibodeau, you been in court before?
Yeah.
Several times? Okay. You seen the sign out there on the door that say don't wear shorts?
I hadn't watched that, man. My fault.
Okay. We're gonna excuse you this time, but you can't wear shorts in the court, okay? That's the rules. You can find that all over the courthouse. Now, Mr. Thibodeau, you're here represented by your attorney. Well, first of all, Mr. Thibodeau, how are you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Thibodeau, you're represented by Mr. Matuska. Mr. Matuska, you have an announcement you'd like to make?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement was for a JP reduction. I believe Mr. Thibodeau has paid that.
Y'all have proof?
Oh, well, that's what we're waiting to confirm that.
You got a receipt?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is that case gonna be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, just have a seat. Once he file the dismissal, the court will sign it, and then you'll be able to get a copy.
What the other folks say, and I thought Mr. Macon was his attorney, but that's in his felony case. Mr. Lester Lewis on page 2 doesn't have it.
Okay. Thank you. We're in session in cause number 328240 and cause number 328620. Both cases are Style of State of Texas versus Shedrick D. Matthews. Mr. Matthews, could you come forward with your attorney? Mr. Matuska?
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry.
Name is Shedrick D. Matthews. How you doing, Mr. Matthews? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Matthews, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Ryan Matuska. Mr. Matuska, you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Matthews' case?
Your Honor, we met, we've gone over the evidence, we're just waiting on an offer right now.
Okay. Just have a seat, Will.
Thank you.
All right.
I signed the dismissal, Mr. Tiffany.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this is cause number 323-548. Case of style of state of Texas versus Sherman Lynn Barnes. That's your full name?
That's good.
How you doing, Mr. Barnes?
I'm doing fine, Judge. Yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks, Fax. And Mr. Barnes, you're represented by Attorney Charles Rojas. Mr. Rojas is currently working the jail docket for the district court. So he can't be in two places at the
one
same time.
Right,
And so your case is gonna have to be reset,
okay,
okay?
okay.
So, give it,
9/29.
okay, you can stand over there and get your reset date. Now, what day of the week is that? Because if it's on Wednesdays, Mr. Rojas is probably gonna always be out there at the jail with 252nd.
Okay, well,
Plus, I gotta pay him some more money too.
okay, so I can do 9/24.
9/24, okay.
Friday.
Okay, this case is reset to 9/24. You get your reset and you'll be free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
I'll just have it. I'll get it off.
Y'all be safe. Y'all be safe.
Okay.